Hello grade 12 students, I love you. So this is the app that is coming soon. Yes, I hope you are going to enjoy it. All right, let's click here. All right, we are now under companies, the statement of comprehensive income. Let's see what's there. This is the layout, and all these line items are explained: sales, cost of sales, if there are returns in the adjustments, what happens to them. Okay, all right, let's see the solution. This is the solution and explanations of how we came up with all those answers. All right, let's hide the solution. Let's scroll down. We have all these activities for each and every line item. All right, okay, all these activities for each and every line item. Okay, let's see. Now we are on comprehensive questions. These are typical examination questions, right? Okay, view solution. This is our solution. So 700 is explained here under number 1. Then all right, 2 here, it means it is explained here. 3, it means this is explained here. 4, 5, 6, all right, number 9 is explained here. Okay, let's hide solution. Let's continue. We are on question 2, question 3. Yes, everything is explained. We are not given an answer and no explanation, so basically an answer, and every answer is explained where it came from. All right, let's leave companies for now. Let's go to some other thing. Let's scroll down to manufacturing. Okay, now we are on manufacturing. Okay, production cost statement and a brief statement of comprehensive income. We get in there. The layout is explained. All right, question 1, question 2, view solution for question 2. All right, direct materials explained here. Factory overheads, where we got those two amounts explained here. 3, okay, 3 is explained here. All right, 4. All right, so all the explanations and calculations are there. Okay, and let's go to budgets. Okay, let's click here, cash budget. All right, so we have activities for data collection schedule. All right, 1 and 2, and everything is explained. You're not just given amounts, and all the amounts explained, where they came from, and all the explanations and calculations are there. All right, relationship between sales and purchases. Okay, relationship between sales and commission, relationship between loan interest and loan. All right, all these activities, 5, actually 6 activities for that. Then change in expenses, income, and what activity 1, activity 2, then comprehensive questions. Now all right, we just have 1 because we explained everything with those activities that are up there. They explained everything in detail, so we have 1 comprehensive question here, and the amounts are explained here, the calculations for each and every amount, the steps are there. So basically this is a tutor, right? This application is a tutor. All right, okay, I hope you enjoyed this.